I got me a package from my friend Shaun Spins. Very cool. Vinyl Community VLCT. We call it VCR. I think that's just better. I like that better. VCR stands for Vinyl Community Rewards. It's easier to remember for me. I don't know. Vinyl Community Love Train. There's that too. So all the hashtags, man. All the hashtags. But I'm excited to see what's in there. Love Shaun's channel. He shares stuff that I haven't heard of, you know, from the East Coast. I'm a West Coast guy here in the Seattle area, metro area, up here in Everett, Washington, where they build the big Boeing jets. I'm going to crack this thing open and see what's going on. Check out this knife. I got this in Sedona, Arizona. It's like supposed to be like super high frequency energy coming out of Sedona. It's a very spiritual, mystical kind of place. That's what they say anyway. There's a lot of shops. It reminded me of Sedona, Arizona. Reminded me of Leavenworth here in the Seattle area. We have this little town that's a touristy kind of town. It's sort of like it's like a Bavarian village in the mountains here in the Pacific Northwest. Very cool at Christmas time. Anyway, Philadelphia is where Shaun resides. Another very awesome music town here in our American ethos, as it were. This thing open. Hey, look, it's a priority mailbox. There's another box in the box.
Few moments later.
It feels like Christmas.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Nice. All right, wow. So we got got a CD, a few CDs. We got some cardboard. There's a record in here. There's a couple of records. All right, what do we got? Mountain. Flowers of Evil. Nice. If I remember right, Mountain was the one that they did Mississippi Queen. That's right, Mississippi Queen. And it's on here, side 2. If you know what I mean. I played that. I was a DJ for a little while. I did one gig at a friend's wedding. And I played that song. I was like, don't play that song at a wedding, Russ. Like, come on. That's a good song. Elvis Costello. Awesome. Love some Elvis Costello. My Aim is True. Now, Elvis Costello, very arguably 80s punk, interesting kind of, but considered punk rock. In the genre of punk rock is, many people would say and consider, Elvis Costello. And he sort of looks like Shaun, doesn't he? He kind of reminds me, he looks a little bit like Shaun Spins. Right there. A little bit. I don't know. Great. Awesome. The records. Got some coming for Shaun soon from here in the Seattle area. Here's what we got here. CDs. Ooh, look at that. Rust 2022. Did I show you the artwork? Like, he put some artwork on this thing here. On the front. Media mail. Look at that. So this is a mixed CD, I suppose. Oh yeah. There we go. Oh cool. There's a track list. Oh, the Gits. Nice. Gonna give that a spin. Sweet. Thanks, man. Oh, whoa, there's more. Oh, cool. I'm measuring Shaun my VCR tapes. I've got VCR concert stuff in the basement. And AC/DC No Bull on VHS. Speaking of VHS. Ooh, there's like a, is this a poster or something in here? Yep, I'm a big AC/DC fan. This is so cool right here. How cool is that? AC/DC. Smells like, even smells like fresh print opened up. Very cool. No Bull. Madrid, Spain. Concert in Madrid, Spain. Back in the day, 1996. AC/DC. Again, VHS. Live at Donington. Thunderstruck, Shoot to Kill, Back in Black, Hell Ain't a Bad Place to Be, Heat Seeker, Fire Your Guns, Jailbreak, The Jack, Dirty Deeds Done Dirt Cheap. Those are awesome. We need to bring that TV from the basement somewhere. VCR TV, like tube TV combo in the basement. I gotta share that.
Oh, that's the one.
Thanks, Shaun. What was that?
That's the one we traveled with the kids when they were younger, right?
It's pretty big. No, I think that one died.
Oh, okay.
This one's big. This one's like, it's like, the screen's like that. It's a VCR combo thing. I was playing the Motley Crue cassette VHS I had from there. So sweet. You can put that right here for now. Thank you, Shaun. Got some stuff coming to you soon. And some kind of cool Seattle underground stuff you probably never heard of. Some stuff from a friend's band. A friend who toured with MXPX, by the way. And him and another band formed a band after they quit their Christian label. And it became a big hit in the city as a live show. But they wouldn't get, no one would sign them. Like, secular companies wouldn't sign them because they were Christian genre bands, and the Christian wouldn't sign them anymore because they would say swear words in their songs. So it was really good stuff. I'm sending you soon. Thanks for watching. This has been a VLCT VCR VHS kind of night, and thank you so much to Shaun. Check out his channel in the description. And there. I gotta put this somewhere. Hang this upstairs in my new chroma key room. It's very cool.
Also save his little artwork because that's cute.
Yeah, I gotta save that. We like that cover. I'm gonna spin that for sure. Thank you, Shaun. Got stuff coming to you soon. And anybody else, there's my email address. I'll just send you my address, man. Why not? Why wouldn't I do that? There's a lot of reasons why I probably shouldn't do that. But I don't know. I'm too cheap to go get a P.O. box. And I don't want to drive there all the time and check my mail. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button. It's right there. It helps us a ton. It really does. I'm going to stop telling you what to do now. Do whatever you want. Later.